Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to jump in and create a sitemap in Figma. So there are a few steps. I advise that you stay close and jump into your Figma and follow along as we're going through it. Let's dive in. So to begin with our sitemap, we're going to go over here on this page to a new FigJam board. Okay, so this is your dashboard and you'll see all of your designs here. So once you're in this board, we're going to come down here to our tools and we're going to select our shapes, and you can use pretty much any shape you'd like here. I'm going to go with the ellipse, and if you're clicking down and you are creating an ellipse, you can pretty much make it any sort of shape you want to. So what I want to do is hold in shift, and this will make sure that the ratio is 1:1, as you can see here. Now right over here, straight off the bat, I'm going to make sure that it says home here, and this will represent the home page on my site. What you want to do from here, you'll see on the top left, right and bottom, you'll see little arrows. From here you can click on those arrows and it will duplicate the shape, and here you can create what would represent each one of the pages within your site. So let's just say here products. Let's do another one. Let's click on this here and let's click on that arrow. You'll see here, this one over here can be our contact us. And we can go in here again and we can click over and we can use this one now. And this one can be our blog. All right, so what we want to do now is we can change the color. So let's change the color over here. Let's just select it. Let's make it red. We're going to go in here and we're going to just click down and drag. We're going to make these yellow. Now the products, for example, on your product page, you will have different products. So for example, you'll have product 1, product 2, product 3. So let's just create these, and you'll see here, this is product 1. We're going to say product 2, and here we will say product 3. This now represents each product page within the products page. All right, so this would represent a specific product and so forth. When you're going in and wanting to customize, you can see here that you can click on the arrows or the links, and that you can customize. So you can change the color, you can change the line style, you can add text, you can create a starting point, a line shape. And if you would like to take, let's say, from home and you want to click down and you want to create another shape over here. So for example, let's create, let's say, like a diamond shape. Let's go and create this diamond shape. And what we can do is we can actually just click down here and click down and drag, and we can drag it over to that shape. And here we can just say there's an extra page, whatever the case may be. And what you can do now is just customize everything so that it looks neat. So if we click down and go over these product pages, we can change the color again. And then you can just go ahead, click down on shapes, drag them so that they all look nice and neat. If you maybe want a starting point like this, this can come out over here. This can go back in. So you can customize it so that it looks as neat as possible. Now, when you're done with a sitemap, you're going to go up to the top left-hand side. You'll see the Figma icon. You're going to come down here to File, and you are going to go to Export As. Now, you're going to export it as whatever file type you want to export it as, but PNG is probably the best. And the background, you want to keep it on grid just because it looks neat. And the export area, you want to make sure that it's the entire file. Okay, so once you're done, you're going to click on export. This will now be saved to your computer, to your device, and this is what it will look like. You now have a sitemap